10 kitchen gadgets on Amazon worth buying this month. As always, links are in description. Let's dive in. Enchanty Teapot. Are you a tea lover looking to enhance your tea experience? Meet the Enchanty Teapot. Designed to make every cup of tea feel special. Its elegant and timeless design makes it a centerpiece for any kitchen or table setting. The smooth spout ensures drip-free pouring, so you can serve tea without any mess. Whether you enjoy loose leaf tea or tea bags, this teapot is versatile and easy to use. It comes with a built-in strainer for loose tea, so no need to worry about extra tools. The sturdy handle stays cool, making it comfortable to pour even when the pot is hot. Cleaning is also a breeze thanks to its wide opening. From morning tea to relaxing evening brews, the Enchanty Teapot adds a touch of elegance to every moment. Why settle for ordinary when you can sip in style? Get yours today and elevate your tea ritual. Dishwasher pot holder. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets and messy counters with the dishwasher pot holder. This handy organizer is designed to store your dishwasher pods neatly and keep them within easy reach. It's compact and lightweight, so you can place it on your counter or inside a cabinet to save space. The airtight lid ensures your pods stay dry and fresh, even in humid kitchens. No more struggling with flimsy pod bags or losing pods in random drawers. The sleek design not only keeps your kitchen organized, but also looks stylish wherever you place it. It's made of durable materials, so it's built to last. Whether you're a busy parent or someone who just loves a tidy kitchen, the dishwasher pod holder makes dishwashing a little easier and a lot more convenient. Take the hassle out of cleanup and get organized with this must-have kitchen tool. Evergrain cooker. Say hello to the Evergrain cooker, your ultimate partner for healthy and delicious meals. This versatile appliance is perfect for cooking all types of grains, from fluffy rice to hearty quinoa. With its simple controls, even beginners can create perfect dishes every time. It's not just for grains. This cooker can steam vegetables, prepare soups, and even simmer sauces. The non-stick interior makes cleanup easy, so you can spend more time enjoying your meals and less time scrubbing pots. Its compact design fits perfectly on any kitchen counter, while the durable build ensures it'll be a part of your kitchen for years to come. Whether you're cooking for one or preparing meals for the whole family, the Evergrain cooker helps you save time and eat healthier. Start creating wholesome meals with less effort today. Fruit and veggie washing bowl. The fruit and veggie washing bowl is a game changer for anyone who loves fresh produce. This multifunctional tool combines a washing bowl, strainer, and storage container, making it a must-have for every kitchen. Wash your fruits and vegetables with ease, then drain the water effortlessly using the built-in strainer. Its spacious design allows you to clean large batches of produce at once, saving you time. The foldable handle makes it easy to carry and store, freeing up precious kitchen space. Whether you're prepping a salad, washing berries, or cleaning leafy greens, this bowl gets the job done efficiently. Made from high-quality, durable plastic, it's built to last. The fruit and veggie washing bowl is perfect for keeping your produce clean, fresh, and ready to eat. Add convenience to your kitchen today. Portable blender. The portable blender is the ultimate solution for healthy living on the go. Compact and lightweight, this blender fits easily into your bag, so you can take it anywhere, whether it's the office, gym, or even on vacation. Despite its small size, the powerful motor can handle everything from fruits to ice, giving you smooth and creamy drinks in seconds. It comes with a rechargeable battery and USB-C charging, so you'll never have to worry about cords or finding an outlet. The leak-proof lid ensures no messes in your bag, and the insulated sleeve keeps your drink cold for hours. Whether you're whipping up a protein shake, a green smoothie, or a fresh juice, the portable blender makes it easy. Stay healthy, stay active, and stay refreshed no matter where life takes you. Magnetic wrap dispenser. Declutter your kitchen and stay organized with a magnetic wrap dispenser. This innovative tool securely attaches to your fridge or any magnetic surface, saving precious counter space. The refillable design eliminates the need for single-use boxes, reducing waste while keeping your kitchen eco-friendly. With its built-in cutter, you can easily get the perfect amount of plastic wrap, aluminum foil, or cling film. No more fighting with stubborn packaging. Its durable construction ensures it will last for years, while the sleek design blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Whether you're wrapping leftovers, covering dishes, or storing ingredients, the magnetic wrap dispenser makes it fast and hassle-free. Upgrade your kitchen organization and simplify your life today. Full Star Vegetable Chopper. The Full Star Vegetable Chopper is here to save you time in the kitchen. This 5-in-1 tool makes chopping, slicing, and dicing vegetables easier than ever. From perfectly diced onions to julienne carrots, this chopper does it all with precision. The adjustable blades allow you to customize the thickness of your slices, while the sturdy, non-slip base keeps it stable during use. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the blades are sharp, durable, and easy to clean. Whether you're preparing a quick salad or meal prepping for the week, the Full Star Vegetable Chopper gets the job done in half the time. Plus, it's compact and easy to store, making it perfect for kitchens of any size. Cooking just got faster, simpler, and more fun. Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater. Say goodbye to tedious grating with the Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater. This handy tool makes grating cheese, vegetables, and more an effortless task. Simply place your ingredients in the grater, turn the handle, and let the sharp stainless steel blades do the work. Whether it's Parmesan for your pasta, chocolate for desserts, or even nuts for baking, this grater delivers consistent results every time. The non-slip base keeps it stable during use, while the detachable parts make cleaning quick and easy. Compact and stylish, it fits neatly into your kitchen drawer or cabinet. Perfect for home cooks and busy families, the Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater saves time and effort while adding convenience to your meal prep. Grating has never been this fun. Electric jar opener. Struggling to open stubborn jars? The electric jar opener is here to make your life easier. This innovative tool takes the effort out of opening jars of all sizes. Just place it on the lid, press the button, and let it do the work for you. Perfect for those with arthritis or limited hand strength. It's a must-have for every kitchen. The compact design makes it easy to store in a drawer, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Whether it's pickle jars, pasta sauce, or jam, the electric jar opener opens effortlessly and safely. No more struggling or asking for help. Just press, open, and enjoy. Kitchen cookware set. Upgrade your kitchen with a kitchen cookware set. Complete collection for all your cooking needs. This set includes high-quality pots and pans with non-stick surfaces for easy cooking and cleaning. The heat-resistant handles provide a secure grip, while the even heat distribution ensures perfect results every time, whether you're frying, sautéing, or simmering. These pans are up for the task. The durable materials are built to last, and a stylish design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Ideal for beginners and experienced cooks alike. The kitchen cookware set is a reliable addition to any home. Cook with confidence and style. Start your culinary adventures today.